Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is in Worth It. So for today's episode, we got this cool avatar right here, and basically what this is some pull-up bands. So you definitely use this kind of like a resistant band. So you see inside right here, they show you guys some of the workouts they can do as well. If you guys turn it to the other side right here, they provide you guys some more information as well. And if you see in the back right here, they explain how much weight is in each one of these colors right here. So based on whatever workout you guys are using and how much of resistance you guys want, you definitely want to select the correct color to use. But I actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys a workout guide right here to show you guys all the different type of workouts you can use for the actual product right here. And then right here we have the actual product. If you can see, it comes in this very nice little bag. So let's take everything out. So here is the first one. If you can see, this is the purple color, which is 35 to 85 pounds. If you can see, they do have the brand logo right here. And we got feel material on here. It definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. Next up right here, we have the 25 to 65 pounds. And this one feels a little bit more thinner than the other one that I just showed you guys. Here is the next one. So this is the red one, and this is 15 pounds to 35 pounds. And you can see it's much thinner than the other one that I showed you guys as well. But they do have the brand logo right here. And then here we have the last and final one, which is 8 to 15 pounds. This one is the smallest one and the thinnest one compared to all of them. And the material on here definitely feels like a high quality material as well. But it's definitely not as strong as the other ones. And then inside they provide you guys some of these carabiners that you can use. So for example, if you guys want to attach one of those onto this option right here, you definitely can. So for this option right here, you basically want to use it in your door, and I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But basically this part right here is a protection layer, so that way you guys won't damage your wall once you guys set it up. And then for other part right here, you basically want to attach it onto your resistant band or the pull-up band. And last but not least, we have the handlebar option right here. So you can definitely use it for a good grip if you guys want to actually pull the actual resistant band. Let me actually open one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically actually looks like right here. So you can basically attach the carabiner on here, and you guys want to attach it to the resistant band. So that way if you guys want to do pull-ups or whatever, you definitely can. But definitely when you guys feel the grip on here, it feels super nice. You will definitely get a good grip when you guys use it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. If you can see, everything on here is super portable. You basically put everything into the little bag that they provide for you guys. So that way you can actually work out anywhere you guys want to. Whether you guys want to work out at home, in the office, in the gym, you could definitely use this almost anywhere, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually show you guys how to actually use some of these first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have one of the resistant band. Like I mentioned, there's a lot of different type of workouts that you can use on this resistant band right here. So if you guys want to use like this, or if you guys want to use it with like a pull-up bar, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. And if you guys want to use the doorknob option, you definitely can as well. And I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. But basically right now I have the purple one right here, which is 35 to 85 pounds. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like before we actually test it out. Alright, so you guys open it up. This is basically actually looks right here. If you can see, it's definitely pretty long. And when you guys try to stretch it, it's definitely really strong and super durable. So there's a lot of different type of workout routine that you can use on here. And they provide you guys all information right here as well. But just for this test, I'm going to do a very simple one to show you guys how it works. So what I'm going to do for this workout right here is put my feet on the actual band right here in the bottom part. I'm going to put both feet on here. Once you guys do this, you guys can actually use like a pull-up position like this. And if you guys want to do the other way like this, you definitely can as well. So that way you guys get like a curl-up position like this. And if you guys only want to use one leg, you definitely can as well. And use one arm workout like this to pull it up. So that way you guys don't need a dumbbell and just use the resistance band as a workout. If you see, it definitely works really, really well. And then once you guys finish this arm, you guys can switch to the other arm. And just go like this. You could definitely start to feel like the workout on here when you guys use the resistance band on here. And because of how portable this pod is, you could basically use it anywhere and work out anywhere as well. So that way you guys don't have to carry like a dumbbell. So that is only one workout of many other workouts that I can do. You guys can refer to the workout guide right here for more information in terms of what kind of workouts I can do. But now let me actually set up the doorknob option to show you guys how that works. Alright, so right here we have the doorknob option right here, or the accessory. Let me show you how to set it up. So basically what you guys want to do is slip it through the door right here on the other side. And for this side right here, the protection side, you basically want to put that on the other side to give you guys that protection so you guys don't have to worry about damaging the door. So I'm actually opening the door and set it up to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so you can see how I actually set it right there. So you can basically start using right there if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to put it higher so that way you guys can actually pull it down, you can definitely do that as well. But this is basically actually looks like on this side right here. Let me actually show you guys what the other side looks like first. And here's what the product looks like on the other side right here, if you can see. Alright, so now that you saw this side and also the other side, you can definitely see what it actually looks like on both sides. So definitely having that foam material on the other side is really useful, so that way you guys won't have to worry about damaging the wall or whatever when you guys pull it. So depending on what kind of workout you guys want to do, you guys want to adjust it on your own preference. But I'm going to set it up to show you guys how to use it. So you basically want to just slide it through right here. And once you guys slide it through here, you can just basically like pull it up like this. So just like that if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to use the other accessories that they provide for you guys, like the carabiner, you definitely can as well. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, let's see how we actually set it right here. So if you guys want to work out like this and pull like this, you can definitely work out like that if you guys want to as well. And because of how strong the resistance band is on here, or the pull-up band right here, it definitely is really strong, so you don't have to worry about breaking. It definitely has the other accessory provided for you guys as well, if you guys want to use those options instead of using this option right here. So for example, this one right here, if you guys can see, if you guys want to use this attached here with the other carabiner, you can definitely do that as well. So that way if you guys want to pull it, you can definitely pull it like that instead of pulling this part right here. But I feel like even if you guys use this part right here, it's completely fine. So this is basically a little close-up view to show you guys what the product looks like on this side. But that is basically how you guys use the part right here in terms of the pull-up band right here, and also everything else in terms of different accessory, and also the door option right here as well, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test of the product, definitely see that she does work, and she works quite well. So you definitely have a lot of options to use on here. If you guys want to work out using your door option with the accessory that they provide for you guys, you definitely can. But definitely using one of these products is super convenient, so that way you guys don't have to go to the gym if you guys don't want to. But if you guys can see, the product definitely does work. But now to unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys don't have time to go work out, if you guys want to get some kind of product to actually work out anywhere if you want to, that's super portable, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.